Now it is time to program the TIS keypads and assign their buttons to control relay and dimmer lights channels. Select a keypad from the list, such as the Luna-TFT, and double-click it to open the programming window. Its programming is similar to other TIS keypads, so once you learn it, you can configure any TIS keypad. At the Key Setting tab, you will see the buttons listed on the left side of the window. You can then configure the function of each button by selecting it and pressing the command button. In the Easy Command section, select the command type. Choose Single Channel Light, then select the room and the channel you want this button to control. Next, select the intensity from 0 to 100%. If the channel is a dimmer, you can set any value. If you are controlling an on-off relay channel, you must select either 0% or 100% to turn the lights off or on. Running time can be set in minutes and seconds. This determines the time needed to ramp up or dim down the lights. The same delay applies to both lights channel relay and dimmer channels. Once you select all settings, press Config. At the bottom section, you will see the command with the module address and channel number. Press Save. To test the button, press it once to turn the lights on and press it again to turn them off. If your lights are connected to a dimmer, simply long press the button to ramp the brightness up or down. You can configure the other buttons using the same method. If your panel supports multiple light pages, you can select page 1 to 3 and configure the buttons on each page. Dimming and LED settings. In this section, you can disable the long press dimming function if your output is relay-based to avoid unnecessary operations. The dimming value can be set to save or do not save. If set to save, and the user long presses to dim the light to, for example, 60%, then turns it off and on again, it will return to 60%. If do not save is selected, the light will return to the default intensity defined in the button configuration. IR and others. Here you can set the minimum dim value, so the light never goes below a level where it appears completely off to the human eye. Some panels have built-in or external IR receiver ports, which you can disable if needed. On the Luna-TFT panel, as with other panels that support multiple pages such as Sol and Titania TFT, you can have a dedicated page for moods and appliances. If you select the Mood or App tab, you will see several buttons under Mood 1 page, additional commands under Mood 2 page, and other commands under the Appliances page. You can configure the function of these buttons in the same way as the lighting pages.